Hi there. I know these days you've been overwhelmed with emails, and I know that when you open Gmail, it has an overabundance of emails sent to you, mainly from Google Classroom. So what I want to do is I just want to take a second to help you see how we can reduce that. Okay? There are some things that I really want Google Classroom to send to you. If I comment, I want it to send you a message and tell you that I commented. If I return something to you, I want it to say that. But there are some things that it doesn't need to tell you. For instance, I'm going to post every day. I don't need Google Classroom to email you and say, Mrs. Dunn posted today. You already know I did that. So let's go into your settings in Google Classroom and change it so that it doesn't send you emails for that. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, so now we are in Google Classroom. And we're going to go up here to 3 lines up by where it says Google Classroom. If we scroll all the way down, we're going to click on Settings. In the settings, we're going to scroll down. Currently, it's sending you email notifications for all of these things. If you clicked on this, you would not receive any emails anymore from Google Classroom at all. I don't want that. I want you to leave it. I want you to receive some notifications. We're just going to kind of pick what notifications we want. Okay, so all of these are good. All of yours probably in blue are going to be scrolled over. The one that we're going to change is this one. I have already turned it off on Drew's. This is what yours looks like. When you go, it's going to look like this. Okay. I want to go to work and other post from teachers. If I post in Google Classroom, you don't need to be notified via email because you're going in and checking every day anyway. Okay, so I don't need to, you don't need to receive an email for that. Because if you think about it, right now, you're going to get one every time a teacher posts. If they post more than once for that class, you're going to get more than one email. So you're probably going to get at least 10 emails just from Google Classroom saying, hey, your teacher posted something. And you already know that. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to leave everything the same and just change one. The one you're going to change is right underneath classes you're enrolled in. It says work and other posts from teacher. We're going to shut that off. Okay. So now you should no longer get an email that says Mrs. Dunn posted remote learning day 25. You should not get that anymore. Okay. You should still receive notifications of when I comment on an assignment, or if I write a private comment, it should come to you. When I return work to you, you should still get an email. You still want it for all of those things. So this is going to reduce it. You are still going to receive emails from Google Classroom, just not as many. Okay, so hopefully that helps kind of declutter your Gmail. Don't forget to go in and delete things that you don't need. That way you don't get an overabundance and have thousands of emails or even hundreds that you need to delete. Hope that helps.